today's video, I just want to apologize for why I haven't been posting lately. A lot of things have been happening because of Corona, so I couldn't post as much as I wanted to. But during the summer holidays, I will be posting a bit more. Not consistently, but better than before. Now let's get started with today's video. So first guys, we're going to go into Photopia and we're going to press new project. And there are templates etc for us to pick, but I'm going to pick the one for YouTube as I am making a YouTube thumbnail. So after that, we're going to leave the background alone and we are going to make a new layer. Now we're going to type 1001 fonts into Google and that will help us later on. So now we are moving on, and now I'm looking for a background or a theme for my thumbnail. So now that we found our background, we're gonna right click and copy it and paste it onto Photopia. You do that by pressing Ctrl and V, or if you're on Apple, Command and V. Now that we have copied and pasted, we wanna resize it. So we do that by pressing Edit, pressing transform and then pressing scale, and then you can resize it. And also press the tick at the top so it comes out clear after you're done and it doesn't look all fuzzy. So after that, we're gonna make another layer and we're gonna look for like decorations for the background to like spice it up. So now that I've found my flowers, I'm going to copy and paste it onto Photopia and I'm going to try flip it around so it's symmetrical, as I'm going to put it in 4 corners. And I do that by going to Edit, Transform and press Flip horizontally. So it will flip the image over, and yeah. So now I'm on 1001 fonts. You can find this on Google just by typing it in the search bar. So now I'm going to type in the words or the sentence I'm going to use for like my thumbnail title, and I'm gonna do it word by word, copy and paste it onto Photopea, and yeah. So now we're gonna resize it by going to edit, transform and scale. You can also rotate it by going to edit, transform and rotate. So we're now going to change the colour of the letters. So we're going to do that by pressing the magic wand, which you find at the side. You're going to click on the letter, and before that you have to change the colour of the pen. That square at the bottom of the colour, and you choose the colour you want, and then you press the bucket. So after you use the magic wand and click on the letter, you then use the bucket and press on the letter, and then it will change colour, if that makes sense. Now we're gonna make a outline, like a border for the letter, and we do that by going to the bottom right under the layers, far down. It will show elf. You click on it and you press outer glow or stroke, and that's where you can choose the thickness, the colour of your outline, and yeah. It's really helpful as it makes the letter pop out and it's more nice to look at. So I'm going to keep on doing that and finish off my thumbnail, and I'm going to come back when I'm done.